Navigating the open waters can be thrilling, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. That's where the COLREGs, or the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, come into play. These rules are like the traffic laws of the ocean, designed to standardize navigation behavior and keep everyone safe. Imagine you're on a busy highway, but instead of cars, you have ships of all shapes and sizes. Without clear rules, chaos would reign. The COLREGs provide a framework that helps mariners understand their responsibilities, ensuring that everyone knows who has the right of way. For example, if you're on a powerboat and you see a sailboat, you need to give way to the sailboat. Why? Because the sailboat is considered a vessel under sail, and it has the right of way. This simple rule helps prevent collisions and keeps the peace on the water. The COLREGs are divided into two main parts: the general rules and the specific rules for different situations. The general rules lay the groundwork for safe navigation, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a proper lookout, safe speed, and the ability to maneuver. These principles are crucial, especially in busy shipping lanes or during poor visibility. Now, let's talk about the specific rules. They cover everything from how vessels should behave when they're approaching each other to what to do in foggy conditions. For instance, if you're approaching another vessel head on, both of you are required to alter your course to starboard or right. This simple action helps avoid confusion and keeps everyone moving safely. One of the most fascinating aspects of the COLREGs is how they adapt to different types of vessels. For example, a fishing boat has different responsibilities compared to a cargo ship. The rules account for the unique challenges each type of vessel faces, ensuring that everyone can navigate safely, regardless of their size or purpose. Another critical element of the COLREGs is the use of sound signals. When visibility is low, vessels use horns to communicate their intentions. For instance, if you hear one short blast, it means a vessel is altering its course to starboard. Two short blasts indicate a turn to port. These sound signals are essential for maintaining awareness and preventing accidents when you can't see what's around you. It's also important to remember that the COLREGs are not just suggestions, they are legally binding. Violating these rules can lead to serious consequences, including fines or even criminal charges. So, when you're out on the water, following these regulations isn't just about safety, it's about respecting the law and the lives of others. In summary, the COLREGs are vital for maintaining order on the water. They standardize navigation behavior, prevent collisions, and ensure that everyone can enjoy the beauty of the sea safely. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just starting, understanding and following these rules is essential for a smooth sailing experience. So, the next time you're out on the water, remember, the COLREGs are your best friend in navigating safely and responsibly.